LSG versus RCB IPL 2026 playing 11 and comparison. Aden Makram versus Phil Salt, winner Aden Makram. Mitchell Marsh versus Virat Kohli, winner Virat Kohli. Rishabh Pant versus Devdutt Padikkal, winner Rishabh Pant. Ayush Baduni versus Rajat Patidar, winner Rajat Patidar. Nicholas Poran versus Tim David, winner Tim David. Abdul Samad versus Jitesh Sharma, winner Abdul Samad. Mukul Choudhury versus Romario Shepherd, winner Romario Shepherd. Mohammad Shami versus Krunal Pandya, winner Mohammad Shami. Avesh Khan versus Bhuvneshwar Kumar, winner Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Prince Yadav versus Josh Hazlewood, winner Josh Hazlewood. Digvish Rathi versus Suyash Sharma, winner Suyash Sharma. LSG 0.4 and RCB 0.7.